Amazing, lovely. I like that. अलका का हमेशा स्माइल चेंज हो जाता है वर्कआउट के बाद. बोलिए अलका, you were saying something.
Lovely, very relaxing. At the same time, strengthening. You feel the strength.
True that. देवांग कैसा लग रहा है अलका को? इतना अच्छा लग रहा है देख के. देवांग was the person who who introduced Alka to us. That's a good feeling.
Introduce means कि उसने पकड़ के खींचा, नहीं अभी चल. And I'm grateful to him for that.
That's a beautiful feeling. Yes. When somebody says, "Oh my God, मजा आ गया यार. Thank you for getting me to the right people for my transformation." Amazing. That's what the purpose is, right? Amazing, Alka. Congratulations. Looking at your transformation from last 9 months, it's been really amazing. Really amazing. It was a journey, and you're almost through with your transformation. Hardly कुछ थोड़ा बहुत बचा हुआ है, वो हो जाएगा. How do you feel after being into this whole process? पूरे transformation process में जाने के बाद कैसा feel हो रहा है आपको?
अरे बहुत strength develop हुआ है. I'm not talking about the physical part of it. I'm talking of the mental strength. Because my body has become strong, my mind has become stronger. I'm able to handle things. But still ना कभी-कभी वो moment of weakness हो जाता है. But I guess इतना साल we have lived a wrong lifestyle. So it's going to take time to come out of that and improve yourself.
I agree with you. And more than the body's transformation, this is a mental transformation. It is a conditioning that we go through it.
And you feel very, very independent. I like that feeling.
True, very true. So, Alka, can you give us some instances, incidents in life or during a process of transformation? जब आपने start किया था अपना transformation, what were you at a state, and what do you see as completely changed in you? It's a little personal question. Why I'm asking this personal question to you is that it can be inspiration to a lot of other people as well. I'd like to know that.
See, one of the major negativities that I have in me, I'll say drawback negativity, is that I don't have control over eating the sweet. Now, that time khana ho gaya, but it was like I would pick up the sweet one after the other and I would consume it. Now also I eat, but I'm conscious with how much I eat. It's not that I have stopped. वो continue ही है, but then I get happy with a small bite. I don't feel like eating the whole thing. मन नहीं करता actually.
That's very nice.
Like I'm satisfied. So that's what I said. Like I have developed mentally. Secondly, when I used to work out previously at the gym also, my trainer would say that I get tired mentally more than physically. I have more strength. And he's been telling me, but I never listened. Now I can experience it. I know that agar willpower ho na, so age and all those things don't matter. You can do it.
That's very nice.
Yeah. So this age factor and all na, wo bolne ki baat hai. I am so much. I'm 57, but I don't even feel 40. So when
40, you're forming like a 30.
So when people say na, you're still teaching, so I feel, am I old? I mean, I have to still work, like, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि अरे I have to retire. Never. I never think of that because I don't feel mentally old, so I feel why retire now so early.
Alka, by any chance, if you tell somebody, you know what, I'm teaching and I'm also running, so beat that. It'll be a wonderful feeling. Lovely. Yes. Also, tell me one thing, Alka. Why I'm actually asking you another question is, I want to really understand while you were in your transformation process. ऐसा कहीं पे ऐसा लगा आपको कि नहीं यार अब मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, this is something that is not possible by me?
No, and that credit goes entirely to you, Vikrant, because आप है ना, you have got a way to make people to make things happen, which is a very, very big quality in a coach. I'm a teacher. And you have to instill the confidence in the person that nahi, you can do it. Probably within you ki isse itna nahi hoga, but you never show that. That's a big plus point in you. You are an amazing coach.
Thank you very much for this compliment, Alka. But I really appreciate the confidence. I really appreciate the compliment that you've given me. But what I say is, I don't say things which is not possible by you. I always say things which is absolutely doable by you. Only thing is, I try to open those doors that you've already shut down. जैसे आपने
Yes.
बताया ना, वो मेंटली थके हुए होने की जगह मेंटली मैं उसको ओपन कर देता हूँ. अब कर, तेरे पास दरवाजा नहीं खुला था ना, अभी खिड़की खोल के दिया मैंने, खिड़की से दरवाजा बना ले अपना. That has always been objective. Never give up. That's the whole attitude. अगर आप आज भी वर्कआउट में बीच में रुकते हैं ना, so I always tell you, do not stop, start again. No problem.
Actually, I saw a very nice poster.
Mhm.
It's an old woman working with weights, and the writing is, "I was 87 when I fell in love with iron."
What a lovely quote. What a lovely quote.
So
87
then,
when
you
you
know,
fell in
if
love with
she
irons.
can feel it, we are very young.
Absolutely, and you're right about that. There are, I mean, you know Zuri auntie, you know Yasmin, well, they're way older than you. And the point is, when these people can actually achieve a healthier lifestyle and get fixated on their whole body's transformation, anybody can do it. A young boy and young girl can be like, अरे होएगा रे, मुझे टेंशन क्या है? That's the whole idea.
Even with regards to nutrition, you are very guiding and informative, and you will never say कि you don't have that authoritative thing कि नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे करो, नहीं. You will explain कि why it is important to do that. That's very important. Once you are agreeing to that thought, then you make the change, because then no, I want to do it. Everybody is stubborn by nature. Everybody. सब अपना मन का ही करते हैं. So
True
it's
that.
wrong to say he is very stubborn. Everybody is stubborn, and there's nothing wrong about it. But you have a way to, आप सबको ये समझाते हो कि ये बराबर है. जब you realize नहीं ये बराबर है, then you automatically do it.
True that. So tell me something.
I'll give you a small example from my own change. When I am getting the breakfast ready and all for my family, I know that I have finished my workout and I have to have the protein first. तो पहले क्या होता था, I would do all my breakfast thing अपना सब करके फिर I'd go for breakfast for my shake. But आजकल क्या करती हूँ, I make the shake, I keep having the shake and doing for them also. So I am nourishing myself and I am taking care of my family.
I was just looking for that answer. I'll tell you why I was looking for that answer. It was all about prioritization. It was all about prioritization. Now finally, you have prioritized yourself in life. Once you prioritize yourself, the whole world will start prioritizing you. And that's the beauty of this universe. जब तक आप अपने आप को importance नहीं दोगे, तब तक आप दुनिया से importance expect मत करो.
Exactly.
So unless you respect yourself, don't expect the respect you should be getting from others. You'll never get
And
it.
everybody is okay with that. Nobody is saying खुद को neglect करके हमको करो.
Do that.
In fact, my family tells तुम अपना भी लेके आओ, साथ में करो. So that way. Then
Do that.
previously when poha was being made, I would say आज पोहा है, चलो पोहा ही खा लेते. But अभी मेरा shake हो जाता है. Then पोहा I have reduced. So I don't मन भी नहीं मारती हूँ, but I don't neglect myself also.
Good. Now, when I say your habits have improved, your mental energy has improved, your strength has improved, that's all physical things that we are seeing. Tell me, if you were a day 1 and day 9 months from that time, do you see a change in your education bit in terms of your knowledge towards your own body? Do you understand your body a lot better than what you were understanding before?
Definitely you understand. And I have a very recent example. I have been having a terrible ankle pain, and last 2-3 days it was very nagging. So I went to my doctor and he gave me some painkillers. Now I took the painkiller for exactly 1.5 days. That painkiller was very, sleep inducing. It would make me groggy and feel very unfresh. So I decided, Nabi, I'll stop this. तो मैंने छोड़ दिया वो painkiller. I'm able to hold my body without the painkiller, stretch it and give myself comfort. Probably I'll take 4 days later more than what I take, but at least I'm not on any medication.
That's good. But what I would suggest is you consult a doctor, then you stop or start any medication.
Yeah.
If you're feeling groggy, if you're not
Actually,
feeling
today I have an appointment with a homeopathic doctor.
Ah.
So, I don't want strong medication.
Now, last question I have for you is, आपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन खत्म कर लिया, आपने अपना पूरा प्रोसेस से गुजर चुके, आप अपने बॉडी को समझ गए हो, आपको एजुकेशन आ चुका है, you know what is right and what is wrong for your body. If I tell you to take care of your family's health, are you prepared to do that?
Yes. In fact, I've already started.
Very good.
I've already
इसी से
started.
कनेक्टेड एक क्वेश्चन है, इसी से कनेक्टेड एक और क्वेश्चन है. Now, if I tell you that this, what would be your choice if I tell you can have a different breakfast, a buffet breakfast or a Herbalife nutrition shake, what would be your choice?
Herbalife. Hands up.
Why? That's the question.
Firstly, it satisfies my hunger. I feel fully satisfied. So then I don't have the urge to eat anything more. Secondly, it keeps me very light, and after having a full stomach, I don't feel lethargic.
Lovely.
Thirdly, diabetic, my sugars are way controlled. Fourthly, my acidity is nil.
Wow, that was major problem with you, huh?
मतलब see, everything is interconnected. सब शुरू होता है पेट से. जब गलत खाना आता है तो everything disturbs. Connections ही disturb हो जाते हैं. But when the starting point is correct, then everything just connects.
Lovely. So Alka, thank you very much for this fantastic information, sharing your experience.